you buy something from any of these, let them know you appreciate them sponsoring the matches, and it really makes their giveaways and our stuff we can give you guys even better. So, other than that, so when you get
perfect. Can only be one.
This is the final.
All right.
Doug and Aaron.
Shooters ready.
For all
Stand
the
by.
mothers. Lift it up. Move it up.
We agreed to do that.
All right, 10 yards. Shooter ready. Stand by.
What happened?
You popped it. Right, so that was fine.
These 5 targets near the fall from low cover do not shoot the Bianchi, either upper or lower. Then you have one target on the other side, also from low cover. Over right here.